Here we are, about to go on the river raft.
Pura vida.
La vida.
Longer.
Yeah.
That one is probably young one. So cuckoo.
Yeah.
Well, lots of crocodiles today.
Okay.
What's your channel?
Okay, so we'll get you here.
Pura
Yeah.
vida.
Gracias.
Un gusto.
¿Cómo se llama?
Dania.
Dania, gracias, Dania.
Mucho gusto.
What is your name?
Anne.
Anne. And you?
Ellen.
Ellen. Anne and Ellen, it's a
Sí.
pleasure to have you here.
Nicholas, how do you prepare this fabulous fruit punch?
Okay, it's prepared with pineapple and papaya.
Oh,
It comes with banana as well and mango. And it's that.
todos. Gracias.
You're welcome.
I'm getting soaked. I don't need to go into the pools. So here I am at this pool is also hot, but it started to rain, which makes it a lot more enjoyable and unique because when you're in the hot water with a cool rain, it's just fabulous. This is why it's called a rainforest.